dogs a treat? You think they deserve one? Uh-oh. Okay, you ready? Hold on. Let me set up the camera. Okay.
One egg left for his breakfast in the morning.
You gonna give him a treat? Alright. No, they only get halves today. Okay. There you go. Alright. Let's see. Say, buddy. Buddy, you want your treat? Sammy. Buddy, you want your treat? There you go. Good job, Theron. Give Buddy a treat. Alright. Good job. Let me close the door. Yay! High five! Can I get a high five?
Walked down the side of the house and I went over there and showed him Sammy.